Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Seoul 1988 Retinal collection and checking image formats so you don't waste time later. Once confirmed, make sure your workstation meets specs, GPU and 16 plus gigabytes of RAM speed processing. Create a virtual environment and install Python libraries like OpenCV and a deep learning framework. This lets you reproduce results cleanly. Then copy a small subset to test the pipeline. This immediate subset test prevents long runs on corrupted or mismatched files. You now preprocess every image, resize and normalize so the network learns consistent features. Center cropping reduces border noise, and augmentation adds robustness. Once done, import or create annotations, then split into training, validation, and test sets to avoid leakage. Configure a model architecture, for example, a UNet with a ResNet encoder for segmentation, set optimizer and learning rate schedules, and define augmentations like rotation and brightness adjustments. Make sure to log hyperparameters so you can iterate. You launch training with checkpoints and validation monitoring to detect overfitting quickly. Use early stopping and learning rate decay to stabilize performance. After training, evaluate on the test set using metrics like AUC and dice score for segmentation, and inspect failure cases visually to understand model weaknesses. Finally, export the model and artifact files, save weights and preprocessing code, and document versions. If results are poor, first check label consistency and image normalization. Mismatch scaling is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.